Ticks are more than just a nuisance for dogs. They can transmit serious diseases and cause ongoing discomfort. Natural behavioral and environmental strategies, combined with routine care, help create a healthier and more balanced approach to keeping dogs tick-free. Regular grooming plays a key role in preventing ticks from settling on your dog. Frequent brushing helps remove loose ticks before they have a chance to attach firmly to the skin and feed. Beyond tick prevention, regular brushing keeps your dog's coat healthy and strengthens the bond between you and your pet, making grooming a practical and beneficial habit. Avoiding tick-prone areas is an effective way to reduce your dog's risk of exposure. Ticks thrive in tall grass, dense woods, and leaf piles where moisture and shade provide ideal conditions for survival. Keeping grass trimmed short, removing leaf litter, and clearing away brush or debris helps eliminate the hiding spots ticks depend on. White vinegar is a natural tick repellent whose strong smell helps keep ticks away, offering a simple alternative to harsh chemicals. To use white vinegar to help keep dogs tick-free, a diluted solution can be lightly sprayed or wiped onto your dog's coat, taking care to avoid sensitive areas such as the eyes, nose, and any open skin. This is especially helpful before outdoor activities, as the strong scent can help repel ticks. Some dog owners also add a very small amount of apple cider or white vinegar to their dog's drinking water, believing it may make the dog less attractive to ticks. A tick remover tweezer is a specialized tool designed to safely and effectively remove ticks from a dog's skin. Unlike regular tweezers, tick remover tweezers have a fine, narrow tip or a notch that allows you to grasp the tick close to the skin without squeezing its body, reducing the risk of the tick releasing harmful pathogens. To use it, you carefully position the tweezer around the tick's head, gently pull upward with steady pressure, and avoid twisting or crushing the tick. Bathing your dog regularly with a mild liquid soap is an important part of tick prevention and overall hygiene. The soap helps clean the coat and skin, removing dirt and any ticks that may be present before they attach firmly. Regular baths also keep your dog's skin healthy, reduce odors, and prevent matting in the fur, which can hide ticks and other parasites. Natural dog collar provides an added layer of protection against fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes using essential oils. It repels fleas and ticks for up to 4 months and mosquitoes for up to 1 month, helping prevent infestations. It is a safe alternative to chewable treatments or conventional collars and can be used on dogs and puppies over 4 months old. The collar is easy to adjust for small to medium dogs, wart-resistant, and has a fresh peppermint scent. By combining these natural strategies, you can create a comprehensive, chemical-free approach to keeping your dog healthy and tick-free.